If you have plenty of extra moisture in the air in your home and want to get rid of it, then a dehumidifier will be ideal. After that, however, the question becomes, how do you pick the right one, and what are the pros and cons of each? You would also want to consider the type of dehumidifier you choose, including one with a pump or one that doesn't. There are many products available to choose from. Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Compressor Dehumidifier with Pump, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did dynamic research, read tons of reviews of customer, and compiled a list of the Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Compressor Dehumidifier with Pump from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Compressor Dehumidifier with Pump. For those who have a larger home and need something that can handle a room sized around 4,500 square feet, the Ivation 70 Pint Energy Star Compressor Dehumidifier with a pump is perfect. It can remove around 70 pints of water daily and has a washable air filter, making maintenance easier. The fan also has 2 speeds that you can choose from, with a 1-year warranty. The design is also very sleek, and a LED display is on the top of the machine, making it easy to read and even easier to operate. This is the best machine that you can use to program your choices without any problems easily. It can also help if you have allergies or want to keep your home free of dust, mildew, and mold. Number 2. Homelabs Energy Star Dehumidifier with Pump. The Homelabs Energy Star Dehumidifier with Pump is a compact white machine with black casters that weighs 40.2 pounds, making it stylish and easy to move around. Its compactness also ensures it won't take up much space. And its 5-foot power cord also enhances its portability by allowing you to plug it into an available power source. With a 40 ppd rating, the dehumidifier can remove up to 40 pints of moisture in areas, with a square footage of up to 3,500 sq ft. So, it's ideal for laundry rooms or damp basements. And its built-in pump, which you can schedule with the incorporated 24-hour timer, allows continuous water drainage while producing low noise levels that don't exceed 49 decibels. In addition, you can use the equipment's LED digital display to determine the precise humidity levels. Number 3. Midi Energy Star Certified Dehumidifier with Pump. The Midi Energy Star Dehumidifier with Pump has a 50 ppd rating, which enables it to remove up to 50 pints of moisture on any given day. It can also effectively dry air within 4,500 square feet and adjust humidity levels from 35% to 85%, enabling you and your loved one to stay in a healthy space without worrying about dust mites, mold, and mildew. Thanks to its 4 360-degree rotatable caster wheels and 43-pound weight, the Midi dehumidifier is easy to carry and maneuver around. So, you can move it to any room whose air needs drying and set it up with minimal problems. Also, the dehumidifier includes an auto drain pump compatible with a 16-foot drain tube. These will work to drain away water horizontally into a sink or vertically through a window. Alternatively, you can opt for the 1.6-gallon tank to collect condensate. Number 4. Tosa 50 Pint Dehumidifier with Internal Pump. The Tosa 50 Pint Dehumidifier with Internal Pump has a 50 ppd rating. It also has an airflow capacity of 280 cmph or 146.8 cfm. As a result, it can work well for areas up to 500 square feet. Also, ABS plastic is the primary construction material for this particular dehumidifier. As a result, it is strong and durable. However, the machine's internal lines consist of V0 rated flame retardant copper tubing, enabling them to transfer heat better and stop flames within 10 seconds if they catch fire. In addition, the dehumidifier is Energy Star and UL certified, assuring you of its energy efficiency and high safety standards. It is also worth noting that the Tosa dehumidifier has an internal pump that works with the incorporated water tank. Once the drain bucket is almost full, the drain pump automatically comes on and can pump the water sideways or even vertically up to 16 feet. You can also connect your regular 0.75-inch garden hose and drain the water away to a designated space. Number 5. Homelabs Commercial Grade 140 Pint Dehumidifier with Built-in Pump. The Homelabs Commercial 140 Pint Dehumidifier with Built-in Pump has a 140 ppd and 265 cfm rating. That enables it to effectively remove 140 pints of water per day in large spaces of up to 4,000 square feet. Therefore, it comes in handy in highly humid basements and other humid spaces like construction sites, gyms, and industrial warehouses. And its large capacity makes it an excellent choice in water damage restoration projects where the drying paint and plaster needs an extra boost. While the Homelabs dehumidifier is not the lightest machine around, it's pretty portable thanks to its 2 casters and 2 semi-pneumatic wheels, which ease transportation. Also, it includes a sturdy handle and 2 side handles for a firm grip. Also, the machine includes a 16-foot drain hose that can channel the accumulated water far away from the area you are working on when the pump is on. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.